So the MCQ says that a 32-year-old sexually active man had this non-itchy, painless reddish-brown spots on the palms and the soles, with which he is coming, and on asking there was a history which was painless ulcer on the genitalia a month and a half ago, and it healed on its own. He didn't seek any kind of a treatment, right? He is afebrile now, otherwise feels well. There is no any systemic findings in this patient. Physical examination, maculopapular lesions are present over the palms and also over the sole, and the examiner is asking you diagnostic study to confirm the suspected diagnosis. With all these clues, what is the diagnosis you want to think of? The genital ulcer, which is healing by itself without any treatment, is pointing towards a possible primary syphilis, which is due to Treponema pallidum. If it is not treated, then what will happen? The Treponema pallidum will spread hematogenously and they are going to produce secondary syphilis. Secondary syphilis, which will manifest as generalized lymphadenopathy, constitutional symptoms, and this hyperpigmented maculopapular rash over the palms and the soles, right, which is called as palmoplantar syphilitis. So now tell me, what is the confirmatory test you want to do? Yes, we can do in this patient BDRL or RPR to confirm the diagnosis, which is nothing but a serological test. So option C is going to be the correct answer for this question. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do hit that like button, and if you want more such videos on a daily regular basis, please in the comment section write yes sir. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye.